Keeping track of your income and expenses is crucial for managing your finances effectively as a freelancer. Fortunately, there are many tools available that can help you stay organized and make informed financial decisions. For instance, using accounting software is one of the best ways to manage your freelance finances. These tools allow you to track income, expenses, invoices, and taxes in one place, and usually offer features like automatic expense tracking, invoicing, and financial reporting, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. In addition to accounting software, consider using expense tracking apps. They help you categorize expenses, track receipts, and monitor your spending in real time, and especially useful for keeping personal and business expenses separate, which is important for accurate tax reporting. Financial reporting tools can help you understand your business's financial health by regularly generating reports showing you how much you are earning, where your money is going, and how profitable your business is. And you can use these insights to adjust your budget, pricing, or spending as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. Invoicing tools will help you get paid promptly, which is crucial for maintaining cash flow. Using invoicing tools or even the invoicing features in your accounting software can streamline the process. These tools allow you to create professional invoices, set payment terms, and even automate reminders for later payments. The list of helpful tools for freelancers is very long, and you can find it attached to this video. However, remember to choose tools carefully. Too many tools will add more pressure to your workload because you must constantly check and maintain them, and sometimes just a simple Excel sheet may be enough.